So there's a rumor around people lockdown extension के होते after 17 May. Is there any possibilities of lockdown?
एक्चुअली लॉकडाउन का सब्जेक्ट मैटर को लेके देयर इज ए कैबिनेट मीटिंग और वी कैन से दैट इट इज ए स्टेट डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट मीटिंग इज देयर they will decide it. So after the decision of that body, then only we can say officially.
So from the district administration, is there any chance?
District administration, actually it is the parameters which decides regarding lockdown or the containment. So as per the report available, the positivity test is increasing day by day. So what we can say is that containment is to be done in the district in the days to come. Containment is a prerogative of the district magistrate and the chairman of the district disaster management authority. So it is necessary for the containment.
So Itanagar is already a containment. Itanagar capital region is already a containment area, but we see that people are roaming here and there. Also on the Indira Gandhi Park, there are many people there. Public gathering is also happening there.
So, but I didn't get any report of such a gathering anywhere, and on the road also I have never seen people roaming unnecessarily. So, my magistrate and my police officers are working 24/7, and if such report is received, then we will take action.
So underpass का क्या update है अभी तक?
Actually, underpass we have already informed earlier also, because of the West Bengal election and Assam election. The skilled laborers they went for the voting, and they have now come back, and the work has already resumed, and the service lane, it is already connected. Of course it is not completed, but it is connected. People are using this, and the slab, the underpass tunnel work, the staging has started taking in a very appropriate manner, and we should complete it very soon.
Okay. So regarding the vaccination, the registration for the age above 18 and also below 44 is going to start from tomorrow. So what is the district administration update on it, the vaccination?
You see, the registration is going on, and so we may require more vaccination center. So as per the demand of the district medical officer, we have given a requisition. They have asked for a requisition, and we have placed 3 more requisition center, that is ESS sector Itanagar, Niti Vihar Itanagar, and Lekki Naharlagan. And even if more vaccination centers is required, we'll place to them, and accordingly magistrate and police will also be given to them.
So what about the testing centers? There are no testing centers in Itanagar for the common public, but they have to go to the Trims hospital.
No, the testing center is there.
Itafort में नहीं है sir. People are complaining Itafort पे नहीं है.
निभा है, Itafort है. So testing center is there. RK mission is there.
So some people went to Itafort also. नहीं है बोला था वहाँ पे testing center.
I'll check to it, because no such information was given to me. We are always on the meeting and discussion with the DMO, and no report has been received. So I'll check it, and let it be my exercise. I'll do it tomorrow.